I just got this in the mail and it is a beautiful lunch bag. It almost looks like a purse, and this lunch bag can keep food warm and keep food fresh. It has a long-term preservation of 6.5 hours. It's insulated, and you do have straps that goes like that and goes like this, and nobody will even know that it's a lunch bag. So you have this section right here. You could put your cutleries in there, and then this is actually from Joy Hill. It has reinforced sides so that it sits upwards like this. It has where you can put cups. I can fit my lunch box in there. I can fit some cookies, some drinks. It will store cold food. If you have warm food, to store warm food, so you just have to close it up like that and zip it up. Really nice. You could use it for so many things. You could put bottles. If you have a baby, you could use this for a baby to keep food cool and food hot. So I absolutely love it.